Hello everyone, welcome to Disamtex video about surface agents additives for the paint industry. Disamtex is an additive manufacturer based in Blumenau City, south of Brazil, and it is specialized in chemical solutions for the paint companies. So if you are interested to know more about our portfolio, check the description box below. And also feel free to like, subscribe, and comment about your experience in paints and the additives you use. So let's get started. Surface additives work at the interface between the coating and the substrate, improving appearance, uniformity, and surface performance without affecting the bulk properties of the film, right? So the expectation from a surface additive is that it will give the coating properties like better leveling, anti-cratering, slipping effect, etc. At Disamtex, inside the surface additives universe, there are two groups of products: the water repellent and the slip agents. Disamtex 455 represents alone the first group, and what it does is changing the surface tension in order to create a hydrophobic aspect, which is quite clever for humid places. It's compatible with various resins and recommended for water-based coatings. The slipping agent also acts on the surface tension, but for another purpose, which is now improving surface qualities like leveling and scratch resistance, whilst avoiding issues like blocking and tacking. These two terms refer to the stickiness of an incomplete cure. In the first group, the great highlight of Disamtex 455 is the hydrophobic property in the water-based coatings. So the additive is recommended for systems where water repellency is needed, especially in high pigment volume concentration, high PVC formulations. It helps prevent staining, particularly in dark-colored coatings exposed to moisture. So Disamtex 455 is compatible with a wide range of resin systems, including PVA, acrylic, styrene, butadiene, and vinyl acrylic. So the images illustrate as examples how a treated surface looks like, visually showing a hydrophobic effect. This slide shows the performance of Disamtex 455 as a water-repellent additive in water-based paint plaster/plaster systems. So water absorption was measured using the Abrafati method. Abrafati is the Brazilian Association for Paint Manufacturers. With a short water immersion followed by controlled drying. So the reference formulation without additive shows the highest water uptake of 14.58%, and adding 0.5% of Disamtex 455 reduces water absorption by about 34% down to 9.61%. So a higher dosage, say 1%, maintains low absorption tendency, confirming effective water repellency. In the second group of surface agents, there are slipping and leveling agents, and the role of these surface agents is controlling the final appearance and performance of coatings as well. So the paint droplet blowing smoothly indicates, as an example, good leveling due to reduced surface tension. So these surface agents will improve slip and surface cleanliness helping the coating spread evenly without defects. They also contribute to scratch resistance and prevent blocking or tackiness after drying. And overall, the visual highlights how surface agents enhance gloss and create a uniform, high-quality finish. Anti-blocking refers to the ability of a coating or film to prevent two painted or coated surfaces from sticking together when they are in contact, especially under pressure, heat, or during stacking. For example, freshly painted panels or rolled films. Anti-tacking means reducing surface stickiness after drying. So a coating with good anti-tack properties feels dry to the touch and doesn't remain soft or gummy even shortly after application. So anti-blocking properties prevent sticking between surfaces, whilst anti-tacking prevents a sticky feel on the surface, the touch dry effect. And both are important for handling, packaging, and overall surface quality of coatings. Among Disamtex options, you see a comparison of different surface agents and their main technical characteristics. It shows differences in active matter, solvent type, and recommended dosage for each product. Each grade is tailored to a specific binder system, such as alkyds, polyurethane, epoxy, or water-based coatings. Solvent-based products use aliphatic or naphtha carriers, while LA400S is water-based. Overall, in short words, the table helps select the most suitable surface agent according to formulation and application needs. A slipping performance test was carried out, and here you see the results of surface agents in alkyd coatings, measured by coefficient of friction, the COF, and the tests compare a formulation without additive, Disamtex FD070, and a competitor product. So after 48 hours, FD070 significantly reduces COF, the coefficient of friction, showing a slip improvement comparable to the competitor. And after 7 days, FD070 maintains a much lower COF, while the competitor loses effectiveness. So overall, the results show that Disamtex FD070 delivers stronger and more durable slip performance over time. This leveling test compares epoxy coatings with and without the surface agent Disamtex FD070. Without a leveling agent, the coating shows poorer flow and less uniform spreading. FD070 alone improves wetting and leveling, giving a smoother, more even film. And combining FD070 with Disamtex anti-foaming additives 950P, 660FS, and 770S, they all further modify slip and surface flow behavior. So the differences in spot shape and edge smoothness indicate how each additive system enhances surface mobility and leveling efficiency. This dry tester compares surface slip of coatings with and without Disamtex FD070. The sample without additive shows higher friction and poorer slip. FD070 provides a smoother surface with improved slip after drying. And compared to the competitor additive, FD070 shows a more uniform and persistent slip effect. The results confirm FD070's effectiveness in enhancing dry slip and anti-blocking performance across systems. Disacode LA100S is a high-performance surface agent from Disamtex developed to improve slip, flow, leveling, and overall surface quality in PU acrylic and PU alkyd coatings. In PU acrylic systems, it delivers controlled static and dynamic COF reduction, ensuring smooth slip behavior without negatively impacting film formation or repaintability. The performance balance is evident in its strong flow and leveling contribution, combined with good crater suppression and low foaming tendency, resulting in uniform, defect-free films. In PU alkyd systems, Disacode LA100S demonstrates even stronger slip efficiency, achieving the highest COF reduction among all evaluated samples, including competitors. Now here with the initials CT. At the same time, it maintains excellent leveling, film formation, and surface uniformity, avoiding common side effects such as surface defects or instability. Overall, Disacode LA100S stands out as a versatile, well-balanced surface additive that consistently outperforms competitor solutions by combining effective slip control with high application robustness and superior final appearance. The radar chart highlights Disacode LA300AC as a balanced surface agent for epoxy systems. Strong performance is observed in flow, leveling, and surface tension reduction. Good crater prevention and low foaming behavior support defect-free films. And compared to alternatives, LA300AC offers improved repainting compatibility. So overall, it provides optimized film formation and spreadability for high-quality finishes. Well, this table positions Disamtex additives across epoxy, PU, and alkyd technologies. Each system includes tailored solutions for anti-foaming, leveling, dispersion, and adhesion. Disacode and Rheostab products are benchmarked against leading market references. The table illustrates full formulation support from wetting to anti-settling, and it demonstrates Disamtex's capability to replace or complement major global brands. Slip agents enhance surface feel while improving flow and leveling. So again, they increase scratch resistance and facilitate easier surface cleaning. Touch dry behavior is optimized, supporting faster handling. Gloss development is improved through better surface uniformity, and these additives directly contribute to premium appearance and durability. Disacode FD070 and SA807 both deliver 30% of active content at low dosage levels. FD070 is optimized for alkyds with a safer aliphatic solvent profile. SA807 offers broader compatibility across alkyd, epoxy, PU, and inks, and typical use levels of 0.1 to 0.3% provide effective slip and surface control. The choice depends on cost/safety versus versatility and solvent preference. And good. Excellent. That's all for me. And I thank you for your dear attention. I make myself available, and we hope our conversations can go further. So feel free to get in touch. Thank you.